This is going to be a short little video about how to get the mobile app for Vesta onto your employee's phone. You're not going to want to put it on your phone. Your employee is going to want to put it on their phone if they choose the mobile app as the way they're going to clock in and clock out, okay? So go to your phone, go to your app store. I'm trying to do this with one hand, so okay. I want to search and just type in mobile Vesta. Oh, this is hard to do. Let's see. Vesta. My goodness, Vesta mobile. Okay. So the one that you want is this one right here with the Vesta mobile, black with the red and white lettering. So I've already got it on mine, so I'm just going to hit open, but otherwise they would download that. So when they get ready to log in, the agency ID is 6163. Like I said, for all the clients that are with Angels at Home, it's going to be 6163, okay? Then they'll enter right here. This is where their attendant ID goes, okay? And whenever I put them into the computer, I'll get that ID and I will send it to you. If I don't, then you can reach out to me and I can get it to you at any time. So then they'll enter their security PIN. So let me do that real quick. So it'll log them in. Oh, look, like I said in my other video, I forgot to clock out. Okay, so when they log in for the very first time, it'll ask them if they agree to the terms and conditions, and I don't remember what else it asks. I think that might be it. So after they log in, they'll get to this screen right here, and they'll click on New Visit when they get ready to clock in, okay? So they'll click New Visit. Their service attendant ID will be here at the top. Now this member ID right here, you've got to make sure that your member ID is there, okay? So your employees, if they only work for you, there'll only be one option here. If they work for multiple clients, then they'll have each one. So they'll need to know what your member ID is so that they select the correct one for that visit. If not, it will not link correctly, which can cause issues in them getting paid, okay? So we're going to select the one, and then they'll hit clock in. When they do that, you'll see the screen here. And the service location is going to be member home, unless, of course, they're with you at the doctor's office or the grocery store, Walmart, any number of things. So then they'll hit continue, and it starts the clock, okay? When they get ready to leave for the day, all they simply do is hit clock out, confirm clock out, okay. It'll ask again where you're at. So you'll select and continue. And it'll show them their visit total for that day and the time they got there, the time that they left. Okay. And they're done, okay? They can click on these little buttons up here and they can see all of these different deals. If they have schedules, they can check their schedule. The alternative device, so even if you have a token and you don't want to call the phone number to do it in and out, they can do it from this app. And it's basically the same thing. You hit New Visit, make sure the member ID is selected for whichever one it is, and then they would type in the token numbers in and out, okay, and then hit Submit. I did not, I don't have a token device to link to this test account, so I unfortunately can't show you exactly how that works. But it's pretty self-explanatory. They'll put it in, put the out number, submit it, and it'll be like the clock in and clock out. They'll be able to verify or see the visit and the time that they had. Okay. So that's the mobile method. And I will do one here in just a few minutes with how if you use a landline phone. I'm going to do it for my cell phone because I don't have a landline, but if you have a landline, they must use a landline phone. Okay? So let me do that for y'all.